and welcome to week 13 of house renovations. Have a look at this. I put the whole table up. I went black. I was contemplating going wood or black, but I thought black actually ties in really nicely with the spindles. And then also I have put the second coat on the hall, and then I've painted more of these architraves and skirting boards down here, and I've given the doors more of a paint as well. They're just taking about 700 layers to paint. I got a beam! So this week I painted the second coat on the walls, and I also painted the chimney breast. And then I bought this at the range, and it's just got a big candle in it. And I thought that was a really nice little feature. Ties in nicely with the theme and the colour that we're going with in here. And the beam, which took me a few times to get this up, drilled into a lot of brick. Quite hard to drill into brick, but we made it, so that is solid. It's not going anywhere. Hopefully I don't have to move it, because that will be a bit of a pain. And then I'm going to get a big mirror here, I think. So this room is pretty much ready. I sanded and painted the windowsill as well, but we're all pretty much done in here. And then, into the kitchen. Look at my tiling! I did this on Friday. This tiling runs all the way through and around here. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm really proud of myself. I don't know whether you remember, but there was pipes here, and I have boxed them in. So I just took some of the board that we've used as the backboard for the peninsula, and I just cut it to size and have drilled it into the wall, and then I've tiled around it. And I'm really thrilled with the kitchen. I'm so excited to be in here and cooking, and I think that looks pretty damn good, actually, if I do say so myself. And then this morning, when we got here, I have done all the grouting. So the grouting is done and setting, and then I've touched up some of the painting. I've taken the blue plastic off there. So we're pretty much done with the kitchen. I need to work out how to use the oven. It's still got the instruction booklet inside, so I'll just remember to take that out. And then I've ordered these two doors to go on here, so they'll be coming in the next couple of weeks. But I love the tiling. I'm really happy, considering I'm still a bit of a newbie tiler. So I'm pleased with that. And another protector I've got. So these, I just got these from Dunelm actually. They were on offer because I don't really know why, but they are placemats and they're marble. But I'm not using them for placemats obviously. I'm using them to sit pans and stuff on. So that's cool. And then over here, I put the mirror up. Again, this was another bargain that I got from Dunelm last week. It didn't have any packaging on it, so I got 10 quid off, which was pretty nice. And it's exactly the same colour as the cabinets, which is a match made in heaven. I wasn't going to get it at first because this detailing I thought was a bit tacky. However, I actually think it brings a bit of a warmer element to the room. And then I bought some placemats and cup holders. They're not massively exciting. And then this beam is up. Can't remember whether this was up last week, but I also put this up. And then I've got my granddad's drinks cabinet here, and then my wine rack is filling up, which is nice. And then the blinds. Oh yeah. So I got these blinds from the range. They were £9 each, which is incredible considering the blinds in my bedroom cost the best part of £300. And I wasn't really sure what to put here because I didn't want to faff around with curtain poles, because I think I've still got a little bit of PTSD from the curtain saga in my bedroom. But I saw these, and actually they work really nicely because I can have this one down and still get out of this door. And mainly for winter and just a bit of privacy in the evenings and a bit of warmth in here, I think they work really well. So that's cool. That's pretty much everything in here. I've done some more on the coving. I just need to sand it off and paint it. And then we're pretty much done in here as well. And then let's go upstairs. Did this a second time, painted this. I do need to sand this off. There's a couple of cracks so I just needed to fill them, but I've sanded the windowsill and painted it. Spent some more time painting all these bloody architraves. And then there's not that much happened in here. However, if you look closely, these tiles, I don't know if you even noticed this yet, but I did tell you about it. So when I cut the tiles, the tile cutter sort of takes off a little bit of the side of the tile and it looks a bit bobbly. So it took me ages to mould the grout lines into a straight line to give the appearance of just a more together tile. And then I touched up the grout in here, so that's pretty much done. And then I've got my little shower caddy of all my stuff because I didn't want to have all of my products and stuff on the floor and let them get grimy. My dad's going to think that's incredibly ironic because there's stuff all over my shower at home. Oh, I've not shown you guys this. This is my Nana's mirror. I wanted to have something here. It's not a massive space, and I've carried on the beige and the white, which I do just think is a really nice combo together. And actually the mirror works really well. So I can't work out whether it's slightly off balance. How it is, isn't it?
It is.
It is.
Yeah.
I don't really know how to correct it because you're going to have to help me with that. I finished off painting these. These are all the bits that take so long. Like all of these little bits, all of these bits. This door has taken so many coats of paint. I don't even understand how it's possible to still see colour through it. But it's another thing I've been doing this week. And then in here, so this room is the first room that is going to get carpeted tomorrow. So the carpets are coming tomorrow. I got confirmation from the guy this morning. He's definitely coming tomorrow. So this room is fully done and empty. And I sanded down the windowsill and painted it. So this is all ready to go. I touched up a little bit of the paint, and this is going to be the first room with carpet, and it's going to be an exciting day tomorrow. This is quite funny. So that room's a mess. This room, the bike room, I just find this hilarious. I bought the wrong amount of flooring again. I don't know why, I'm really bad with maths calculations at the moment, but I bought the wrong amount of flooring, so I've had to buy another lot, but we're slowly getting there. You can sort of see what it's going to look like. The bikes are going to go here, or we're going to get a couple of hooks on the wall to put mine and Levi's bikes on the wall and hang them up so that there is less clutter in here. But I just find that quite funny that I've got it wrong again. Tomorrow, when they have put the carpet in that room, me and Levi will action stations and move all of this furniture next door, and then they can carpet this room, and then they will carpet the landing and the stairs and the living room. And that's it, isn't it? Oh, and they'll do the bathroom flooring as well. Exciting times. Official move-in day is Friday the 14th. I'm really excited. So now the carpets will be in tomorrow, I can spend the rest of the day and the week getting everything sorted, and then when Levi comes down on Friday after work, we'll have the first night in the house, and I'm so excited. So the next update will be when I'm in the house. I'm really ready to move in now. The last couple of weeks I have felt, when I've been driving to and from morning and evening, I just feel like I'm ready to be in now, and I'm excited. I can't believe it's in my house. Oh, let's show them under the stairs that you've done this morning. So this morning, Levi has used up the rest of the floor, because we had some laminate flooring left over, and he's put it underneath here for the shoe cupboard. How good does that look? And it actually matches up with this, so it's the right height. So it's not massive. We'll probably just put boots and things that we don't use that often in there, but I think it looks really good. He's done a very good job. And oh, I painted this black and like went around these edges. So much satin painting. This is newbie house renovation. right there for you. So I drilled the wrong height and it wasn't working well for me. So I had to drill higher. That's newbies for you, but we're getting there. That's it for renovations this week. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this. Just show them that angle because I just think that looks so good. Oh yeah, look at that tiling. Nice. I'll see you guys in next week's video. Thanks for watching. Hope you've enjoyed.